Good morning, everybody. Rick here. Today is Friday, June 1st. Time is 8:22 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. All right, so trade just triggered long. 10 contract 66.15. Right here, what I am seeing is this hold. Looking back to the 27th, then again on the 29th, and it is testing it one more time. So, and then we are deep in the oversold area as well. So I think it's probably going to hold one more go around here, come up, probably test around the 200 period average. And then I think we're going to go into another free fall back into the $65 range again. So, I thought it would hit, and it did, on the 29th. In the $65 range. I still think it's got a little bit ways to go further down though. So, but we're just taking advantage of the day trading opportunities. And if we get back up here, I wouldn't mind having a day or two hold for long as I'm locked in, at least break even. But we'll see what happens here. So, let's see if we can make this just a bit bigger. So this cluster was decent right here. It already played itself out though. At least 10 off break even. Now we are kind of waiting for new areas of build up. So I'm not expecting this rise to happen just yet, but I think we'll at least get half off on this point. And if it does, there is some decent total volume coming in on these two bars right here. So that is optimistic for a rise to start coming into this area as well. So long 10 contract 66.15, stop sitting at 66.05. Look to pull half off at 66.25 right now. And hopefully we'll get some kind of a run up from this point here. So broke through value area low about an hour and a half ago, right here at 66.66, and I'm pretty sure we'll come back into this area at some point. All right, guys, I'll be back and we'll see where we end up at. All right, half off 66.25 right here. Stop is coming up to 66.10. Yep, 66.10, and I will set a pill point for 35. And you guys know the routine, so we'll see what happens. All right, be back in just a bit. All right, stopped out there. So let me watch for just a quick bit and see if we're going to get back into this one. All right, be back in just a bit. All right, pulled the trigger long, 10 contract 66.10. Again, same routine. I'm set. Let me get this set up real quick. Half off 66.20. Stop is sitting at 66 even right now, but I don't want to give that 10 ticks. 66.05 is going to be where my stop is. Oh, hang on. 66.04, 6-tick stop. See if we can hide behind them. That limit right there on level 2. So, stop. All right. And we'll go forward from that point. So, let's see what happens here. All right, be back in just a bit. Okay, we got some serious price action going on here. Half came off 66.21 for 11 ticks. I'm going to go ahead and move my stop up a hair. Actually, no, I'm not. Let's see here. Stop. Yeah, I am. $66.08. 66.07 is going to be my stop. 3-tick stop. And set my pill point. Next one, 66.30 for 20 ticks. And let's see if this gets some kind of a breakup. All right, be back in just a bit. All right, one off there at 30 for 20 ticks. And next pill point's at 40. So I've already set 40, 50, and 60. So I'm just going to be adjusting my contract. So I'm going to stop at this point. So we're going to see if we can get in and out today. All right, be back in just a bit. All right, one off at 40 for 30 ticks. Next pill point is at 50. 3 contracts long now, 66.10. Stop. Let me see where it is. If we can close above the 8 on this bar, I'll go ahead and move my stop to break even. At this point, still sitting at 66.07. All right, be back. All right, had a decent push up here, so I was expecting a pullback. That's what's looking like happened here. Should hang up around the 8 to the 7, so it shouldn't come much further past that. And then hopefully we'll get a push up again. So a lot of aggressive sellers coming in right now. So we'll see what happens here. Long 3 contract 66.10. Movement stop to break even now, as we got to close above the 8 period average here. And next pill point 66.50 for 40 ticks. All right, I'll be back in just a bit. All right, one off at 66.50 for 40 ticks. That leaves me 2 contracts long 66.10. Next pill point 66.60 for 50 ticks. And then we'll let the last one run if we can get on up there. All right, I'll be back. All right, big old jump. Just kind of skipped from 60, came off at 68. So that is for 58 ticks. 1 contract left. I'm just going to leave it at break even. And I'm going, nah, I can't do that. You know better than that, Rick. Let's see here. 20. I'm going to bring it up 10 ticks, 66.20. That's going to lock in 10 ticks, and I'm going to set the final take profit at 67.10. 67.10 for 100 ticks. All right, that's all set. So I'm not going to watch this. I'll be back with an update. See where we got to get to. All right, we've reached value area low. So if we can actually close within it, we got a lot of up room still, according to stochastics. So it's a good chance we're going to push on up, get that 100 ticks. See, that is right there off on point of control, apex point of control, and purple one 67.06 as well. So, all right, guys, I'll be back with the final update, and we'll wrap this video on up and see how we end for Friday. All right, be back in a bit. All right, guys, I am back taking a look. Look like I got stopped out at 66.19. So that's locked in 9 ticks, I believe it is. Been a minute. Anyway, it didn't quite reach the 100 tick mark. 50 ticks. I'll take it for a Friday though. So have a good weekend, guys, and we'll see you next week. All right, bye.